Hi, Madbronco here. I have just woken up after my sleep break. If you remember from last time, we are driving a Peterbilt, hauling a 12-ton bulldozer, and we are going to Tallahassee. So please join me as we continue our journey and let's get trucking. Right, okay. I'm back in the truck, had a break, getting ready to go. Yes, I have moved the truck up near the corner, but mostly so I could be under this street light here to do the intro video, as it was a bit dark back where we was. So it's time to get on. It's just after 3 in the morning. I've actually had longer than I needed to, but decided that I'm not really going to get to sleep at about 1:30 in the afternoon. So I decided to relax in the afternoon, have something to eat, and then go to sleep early evening, and then get up about 3. Got all day today to get the load delivered. Got about 10 hours on the driving, so as long as we're there sort of mid-afternoon we should be good. I'm a bit concerned about this getting out here. I'm going to have to position myself. When I walked out here last night, because we really need to turn left here. So I've got to drive God knows how far to get up onto the freeway out. There's this dinky little wall here, which I don't really want to take with me. And obviously we've got a blooming lamp post or signpost over this side, so I can't really go up on the pavement. Oh, I think I've nudged up against the curb. Oh blimey, and this bus here now, it's not really helping me. Famous last words, there won't be much traffic about at 3 in the morning. Right, the fact I'm turning right, I can actually keep going and get out of the way, so that traffic can move, kind of causing a bit of a roadblock. Yeah, I thought there won't be much traffic at 3 in the morning. Yeah. Right. Well, that was a bit of a bit more difficult than anticipated. So, part 2. Oh God, we can catch the lights now, are we? Oh, wait a minute. We're turning right. Are we turning right here? Bloody sat nav. Yes. So I can technically keep going. See, this is the sort of hassles I wasn't anticipating with this job, having to negotiate Atlanta city streets at any time of the day. But hey ho, we're on the way out now, so that's the freeway up there, I think. So we'll be turning down here. And we should be then clear of city streets. Let's get going. Let's get out onto the open road. Oh, 2 police cars. No. Oh, come on, mate. This is turning to a bit of a nightmare morning, isn't it? Already. Had a nightmare morning yesterday. Oh well, at least we're on the road, out of the city. So like I say, this is part 2 of day 2 of my Columbia to Tallahassee run. Position myself so I'm kind of a little bit over to the right. Obviously we're a little bit wide. Remember from yesterday, he was with me yesterday. So like I say, I've got about 10 hours left on the driving today. We have got a rest stop, but there's actually, bizarrely enough, there's 2 rest stops on this route. Neither of them are really in the right place. One's really close to Tallahassee, so that's absolutely of no use to me. The other one is down here somewhere. It's probably not the sort of 4 to 5 hours I would like, but it's probably getting on that way, so at least there is a rest stop. So somewhere to stop, obviously I'll be making use of that when we get there. More traffic than I would have anticipated for this time of the morning. As long as it's moving, I think that's a slow blooming police car in front of me. Go past him straight away. Ah, nothing in front of us now. Nice clear road. Nothing coming past me, that's good. Oh, here comes somebody. Let's say if I just keep over to the right, shouldn't have any issues with the bucket on the bulldozer, because that is pretty wide. Obviously shouldn't have any more issues now until we get to Tallahassee. All freeway now down to Tallahassee, so it's pretty good. Just get on with it. Obviously we're doing a little bit of night driving, which I promised you yesterday, something I hadn't done for a while. So we should get a nice sunrise at some point. No, my luck it'll be when we're in the service station. Oh, it's quite quiet now. We're away from the city. This is alright. Don't mind this. Get going. Get on with this one. Get this one done. So I hope everybody's okay. I'm sure most people are okay, as it's it's not 3 o'clock now. It's after 4 o'clock now. So most of you are probably still in bed, asleep. But obviously some of us are up. Oh, diner. Nice. Wonder what that was flashing there, the neon. Traffic about at all at the moment. It's pretty nice. Oh, I can see a little bit of a sunrise in the background there behind us in the wing mirror. In the background. What am I talking about in the wing mirror? We will see the sunrise before we get to the rest stop then, which I think is just coming up now. So what's that going to be, about 2 hours in? Oh well, like I say, something better than nothing. Stop here. Just to take a break. What's it now, about 2.5 hours in? I think actually I could do with some fuel. Looking at the fuel gauge, so that's probably quite handy. I'm stopping here. Oops, don't really want to get too close, do I? I'll be taking out the pumps with my bucket. Yeah, pretty much empty. Right, so I'll stop the video now, go and park up somewhere and have a break, and I'll be back once I've had my break. So I'll see you in a little while. Bye. I have just taken my mandatory break, as we're about 4.5 hours into the journey today. Always a welcome relief to stretch my legs, have a wee and grab something to eat. Anyway, we are making good time today so far, and I've had my 45 minutes, so let's get back on the road. Right, okay. I'm back in the truck. I've had my break. I've fueled up at the end of the first part of the video. Thought I'd be a bit cheeky and park here instead of messing about going around in the truck parking over there. So, time to get back on the road. Just come up for about 6 in the morning, I think. So let's get this down to Tallahassee, this bulldozer, get this job finished. Not been one of my most enjoyable jobs. I'll go straight out, it's a bit of luck. Yeah, like I say, not been one of my most enjoyable jobs. Obviously struggling with a day cab on a 2-day trip, but and obviously having to go into Atlanta city centre when I didn't really need to, or under normal circumstances wouldn't have needed to. Position myself. Worry about the cars passing and the bucket on the bulldozer. Obviously we've still got about 7 hours, 6.5, 7 hours to go today. Quite a way to go. We'll get down to Tallahassee. Like I said, that rest stop not in the ideal place. Only about 2.5 hours in this morning, but better than nothing. Got a bit of an incline. See, I don't really think this truck is an ideal truck for this kind of weight. It's not mega heavy, this bulldozer. Kind of struggling a little bit, aren't we? Expecting this. So far it's been pretty flat, I suppose. We're down to what, 30 miles an hour. So I think we're cresting the top of the incline now. It's okay, yeah, we're picking up speed now. Downhill now, woohoo! Everything's going to run away with itself. Oh, sorry, tipper truck. Trying to pass me. We've had the dawn. It's now daylight. Sun's out. Looks like it's going to be a nice day. Obviously we've got a fair amount of the day to drive. Should be there sort of mid-afternoon. That's okay, as long as we're there. Oh. As long as we're there by the end of the day today, it should be good. So we should be there mid-afternoon, so that's all okay. Handy, you've pulled in front of me. If we're going at the same sort of speed, might get a little bit of a tow, might help me. The fact that I've got this truck in front of me. So if I can keep up with him. Apart from my bike pulling in between. Sky today, sun's out. Oh, catching up with them too quick. Traffic on the road, as you can see, building up now. But as I always say, as long as it keeps moving. truck's gone out of the way. Maybe we can tuck in behind the tipper truck. Getting his slipstream. Once we get to Tallahassee, obviously I'll be spending the night in Tallahassee, minus the truck this time. And then I'll pick up my last load of the week tomorrow out of Tallahassee. Obviously end up somewhere for the weekend. The fact that I'm in Tallahassee may give you a bit of a clue of where I might be heading for the weekend. I'm not actually going to say. Obviously once I pick up the truck in the morning and record the video and then obviously put that video out, it'll become pretty clear where I'm heading and to what circuit I'll be heading to for this weekend. Car with all the old lights on and sirens. So yeah, so I hope everybody out there has got something nice lined up for the weekend. Looking forward to it. I think I'll have quite nice weather where I'm going. I hope you have some nice weather wherever you are. Tipper truck a little bit. Don't like the look of this. This is about for both lanes. Another go. Whoa, 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 gee, how did I not hit the back of that? Flipping heck. Excuse me, blimey, how I didn't hit the back of that car, I really don't know. Wow, kind of speechless for a second there. Enjoying this traffic at the moment. Not quite sure what the whole... Yeah, whoa, what are you doing, man? Tell you what, that bloody car, Jesus. I don't think they quite realise how lucky they were. I didn't rear end them. So it was a police car up the front. messy, hasn't it? Jesus. Apologies to the car that I think was trying to overtake me. So I was trying to get across then. Easy enough, I think he got out of the way. Blimey, yeah. That was a crazy little bit of section of road, wasn't it? Blimey. Hopefully this freeway we're now coming onto might be a little bit better. Straight out, nice. Ooh, yeah, this one certainly looks a little bit quieter. Wow, like I say, that was a little bit crazy there, wasn't it? Flipping out. I say, oh, I didn't rear end that car, I will never know. Oh, okay, so this got the police sitting on the side on this section of road. At least they're not out in the carriageway, slowing everybody down. Wow, I think I'm seeing everything on this this run, this load. Chucking everything at me. Wrong truck at the beginning. Change my plans, book a motel room, crazy traffic, somebody pulling out in front of me, me literally being within inches of rear-ending them, trying to get across there and a car up my inside. Wow. But I think we survived. Like I say, this section of road looks a little bit quieter, so that's good. I think I'll be glad to get to Tallahassee and get this one delivered. Yeah, this is certainly a lot quieter. Come past or not, because there's a police car here which I'd like to get past myself. No, bugging me up. Then you're just going to keep cruising, are you? Right after this motorbike, I think. No, oh god, looking at Mr. Speedy in your Camaro. Give up. And the traffic's building up on this road now. I should stay in the lane where I am so I don't get anybody pull out in front of me. Oh, come on. No. It's the trouble, I can't really see the... Oh, you stopped to let me out, thank you. I can't really see past the bucket. It looks like it's clear. And then the blooming car appears just behind the bucket. Somebody was very gracious there to let me out. So I can't complain at that. Is that another police car? We might stay where we are for a minute. Even though saying that though, we are going to have to get over, because that's probably the rest stop near Tallahassee. Which, if I remember correctly, not that far to us going off now. Speed up a little bit, get past these blooming police. 2 police cars poodling along. Flipping out, got a barrier this side. Not really liking that. Must be passed by now. Yep. Yeah, I think we're going off in a minute. Tallahassee, yeah, it's coming up now, so whew, like I say, I think I'll be glad to get this one over and done with. It's been a trip full of adventures. Here, so I don't get somebody trying to squeeze down my inside. I'm guessing that is Tallahassee in front of us. Right, so going. What palm trees? Cool. Zoom nothing in. Tallahassee discovered. Yep, certainly is. Northland. Let's try and be a bit cheeky here and just keep rolling. It's not going to work. The lights are not going to change. Oh well. This looks like a nice little place. So I'll be spending the night here. Well, looks like we're turning left coming up the road, so see if we can get over. In front of that van. That was a bit of luck. Our filter light changed. So where are we going? The main drag. Also going into the industrial part of town. Please don't tell me you're turning right. Left, sorry. I want to be out there to get a bit of a swing here, I think. Clear that way. You're coming round here, you're coming round here, right. Should be far enough out to stop the traffic. Let's go. traffic here, so this is not too bad. Obviously, always a bit of a concern in city streets, especially when you've got a barrier to your right hand side that you can't kind of get over so much, and you've got such a wide load. And that's where we're going. Getting off the road and assess the situation. So it must be round, I don't know what's got my lights on, must be round here somewhere. Okay, easy enough place to get. Yeah. So we're going to have to take a bit of a big swing around the edge of this building. Well, I think we're pretty much about there. Yeah, looks good. Well, that's just what I needed, actually, a nice easy parking spot after the 2 days that we've just had. Cool. Well, we've made it to Tallahassee and job done. So hope you enjoyed that. Pretty interesting, wasn't it? And I'll see you next time. Bye. Well, that's it for today. We have made it to our destination and delivered the load in one piece, so all good there. I hope you enjoyed the video and will join me next time, and of course please subscribe, like and comment. Have a nice day wherever you are, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.